Have you ever walked into a luxury hotel lobby, a modern designer home, or an upscale interior showroom and found yourself drawn to a lamp? Not because it was bright, not because it was expensive, but because it felt like a piece of art. The lamp wasn't simply providing light. It was shaping the entire atmosphere of the room. Its clean lines created visual balance. Its materials added warmth. Its presence transformed an ordinary corner into a focal point. And then you discover something surprising. Many architectural lamps sold in designer furniture stores cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Yet if you look closely, their beauty often comes from something incredibly simple: geometry, craftsmanship, material selection, and thoughtful design. Welcome back, creative minds. Today at Decor Ideas, whether you love woodworking or chic home decor, this project will inspire you. Stick around, grab your tools, and let's build something unique and beautiful together. You won't want to miss this. Today, we're taking that same design philosophy and applying it to one of the most overlooked resources in any woodworking shop: scrap wood, pallet boards, reclaimed timber, salvaged hardwood offcuts, the pieces most people throw away, the pieces many woodworkers forget about. We're going to transform those leftovers into stunning architectural table lamps using only hand tools. No expensive CNC machines. No industrial production equipment. No complex manufacturing process. Just patience, precision, creativity, and a pile of forgotten wood waiting for a second life. Because one of the greatest lessons woodworking teaches us is this: waste is often just untapped luxury. And by the end of this project, you'll see exactly what that means. Let's begin. It's elevation. The first thing that makes this project special is the material itself. Most people look at pallet wood and see rough boards. They see nail holes, weathered surfaces, uneven coloration, evidence of age and hard use. They see imperfections. A craftsman sees something entirely different: character, texture, history, potential. Every reclaimed board tells a story. Perhaps it once supported cargo crossing oceans. Maybe it spent years exposed to sun and rain. Maybe it came from an old fence, a dismantled structure, or a forgotten piece of furniture. Whatever its past, the wood carries visual depth that freshly milled lumber often lacks. An architectural design thrives on visual depth. The challenge isn't finding beauty. The challenge is revealing it. That process starts with careful material selection. Not every scrap deserves a place in the final design. Strong projects begin with strong foundations. Each piece must be inspected. Warped boards require attention. Cracks must be evaluated. Weak fibers need to be identified. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is stability. Architectural lamps demand structural confidence. The design may appear delicate, but the construction must remain reliable. This is especially important when using reclaimed material. Years of exposure can affect moisture content and dimensional stability. Before construction begins, every piece deserves careful evaluation. Because luxury isn't about appearance alone. It's about performance. As the selected wood enters the workshop, the transformation begins. The rough surfaces that once looked tired start revealing their hidden potential. Hand planes glide across weathered fibers. Old finishes disappear. Dirt and oxidation gradually fade away. Fresh wood emerges beneath decades of wear. And this moment never loses its magic. Every reclaimed board contains two identities: the one we see today, and the one waiting to be uncovered. The craftsman's role is helping that second identity emerge. Unlike mass production, hand tool woodworking creates a direct relationship between maker and material. Every cut matters. Every shaving tells a story. Every surface receives individual attention. This slower pace may seem inefficient in today's world, but it's often where the highest quality results originate. Speed creates products. Patience creates craftsmanship. And architectural lighting deserves craftsmanship. As the wood becomes cleaner and more refined, design decisions become increasingly important. Architectural lamps differ from traditional lamps because they emphasize form as much as function. Light matters, but structure matters too. The lamp itself becomes sculpture. Its geometry contributes to the room even when the light remains switched off. This dual purpose is what makes architectural lighting so compelling. During the day, it functions as art. At night, it transforms into atmosphere. The best designs accomplish both. As sketches evolve into actual components, proportion becomes the guiding principle. Architectural design relies heavily on balance. Lines must feel intentional. Dimensions must feel harmonious. Negative space becomes just as important as physical material. In fact, one of the defining characteristics of modern architectural lighting is restraint. Instead of adding more elements, designers often remove them. They simplify, refine, reduce. The result feels cleaner, stronger, more sophisticated. This philosophy works exceptionally well with reclaimed wood because the material already possesses visual richness. The grain provides texture. The aging provides character. The imperfections provide authenticity. The design doesn't need to compete with those qualities. It simply needs to frame them. As individual components take shape, precision becomes critical. One misconception about working with reclaimed material is that rough wood automatically produces rustic results. That's not true. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves woodworking. Let's create and decorate together. Professional craftsmanship can elevate even the humblest material. The secret lies in consistency, clean joinery, accurate cuts, thoughtful assembly. Precision transforms perception. The same board that looked like scrap in a pile suddenly appears valuable when incorporated into a refined design. This transformation isn't accidental. It's intentional. And intention creates luxury. Using hand tools introduces another fascinating element to the process. Every surface carries subtle evidence of human craftsmanship. Tiny variations, gentle tool marks, natural textures. These details create warmth that machine-produced products often struggle to replicate. The lamp feels personal, authentic, alive. Modern consumers increasingly appreciate this quality. They're surrounded by mass-produced products, identical objects, automated manufacturing. Handcrafted work stands apart because it feels human. And in home decor, that emotional connection matters. People don't simply buy objects. They buy stories. As assembly begins, the project starts resembling its final form. Angles align. Components connect. The structure gains confidence. What was once a collection of unrelated scraps now functions as a unified composition. This stage often feels deeply satisfying because the vision finally becomes visible. The lamp starts communicating its purpose, not through words, through design. And good design communicates effortlessly. One particularly important consideration in architectural lighting is stability. A beautiful lamp that feels fragile quickly loses its appeal. The base must remain secure. The structure must resist movement. Weight distribution must feel balanced. These invisible characteristics significantly influence how people perceive quality. When someone touches the finished lamp, they should immediately sense durability, confidence, craftsmanship. The object should feel substantial, not because it's heavy, but because it's well-engineered. This is where careful planning pays dividends. Thoughtful construction creates lasting performance. As the electrical components are introduced, another transformation begins. Light enters the equation, and light changes everything. Wood interacts with light in remarkable ways. The grain becomes more pronounced. The texture gains depth. Shadows create drama. Warm illumination enhances natural tones. Suddenly, the lamp becomes more than wood. It becomes atmosphere. This relationship between material and illumination is what makes architectural lighting so powerful. The structure shapes the light. The light enhances the structure. Each element strengthens the other. And when that relationship works correctly, the result feels almost magical. A simple room becomes more inviting. A quiet corner gains personality. An ordinary space becomes memorable. As finishing begins, the reclaimed wood reveals its final character. Years of history become visible. Subtle grain patterns emerge. Color variations deepen. The material begins telling its story. This is one reason reclaimed would remain so popular among designers. No two pieces look identical. Each project becomes unique. Each lamp becomes original. In a world dominated by uniformity, originality carries tremendous value. The finish itself should complement rather than overpower the material. Architectural design rarely benefits from excessive decoration. The goal is enhancement, not concealment. The wood deserves to remain visible. Its imperfections deserve acknowledgement. Its history deserves respect. This honesty creates authenticity, and authenticity creates emotional connection. As the final coat cures and the lamp approaches completion, something remarkable becomes apparent. The project no longer resembles scrap wood. The original material becomes almost unrecognizable, not because its character disappeared, because its value has been redefined. This is one of the most powerful aspects of woodworking. Transformation, taking something overlooked and revealing its potential, turning waste into beauty, turning leftovers into luxury. The finished lamp stands as proof of that philosophy. Its clean lines reflect architectural discipline. Its warm materials provide comfort. Its illumination creates atmosphere. And its origins remind us that great design doesn't require expensive resources. It requires vision. This lesson extends far beyond woodworking. Many people assume quality begins with premium materials. Experienced craftsmen understand that quality begins with intention. Premium materials help, but thoughtful design matters more. Precision matters more. Care matters more. A skilled maker can elevate modest materials into extraordinary results. That ability separates craftsmanship from consumption. One creates value. The other merely purchases it. As the completed lamp finds its place in a living room, bedroom, office, or reading corner, it begins serving its purpose. Not simply as a source of light, as a source of character. The room feels warmer, more personal, more intentional. Guests notice it. Conversations begin around it. The lamp quietly becomes a focal point. And perhaps the most satisfying part is knowing where it came from. A pallet, a discarded board, a forgotten offcut, material that many people considered worthless, now transformed into something beautiful, something useful, something lasting. This transformation represents the very heart of sustainable woodworking. Not merely recycling, upcycling, adding value, creating meaning, extending life. The environmental benefits matter, of course. Less waste, greater resource efficiency, reduced consumption. But there's also a deeper reward. The satisfaction of seeing potential where others see limitations. The satisfaction of building rather than buying. The satisfaction of creating something truly unique. Architectural table lamps embody all of these ideas. They combine design and function, art and utility, craftsmanship and sustainability, and they prove something important. Luxury isn't defined by cost. Luxury is defined by attention. Attention to detail, attention to material, attention to design. When those elements come together, extraordinary things happen. Even a pile of reclaimed scraps can become a centerpiece. Even waste can become art. Even the simplest workshop can produce something worthy of a designer's showroom. And that's the real beauty of this project. Not the lamp itself, but what the lamp represents. The idea that creativity can uncover value where none seem to exist. The belief that craftsmanship can transform ordinary materials into extraordinary objects. And a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful pieces in a home begin their journey in the scrap pile. Because waste isn't waste at all. It's simply luxury waiting to be discovered. That's all for today's Decor Ideas episode. I hope you're feeling inspired to create something amazing. Subscribe and stay connected for more woodworking and decor projects. Until next time, keep creating.